the crystal ball of people. So we come collect Alfonso spirit people. So this is the house where there's so much gunshot tonight. So Alfonso shoes, Alfonso slippers and people. So Alfonso wasn't no broke pocket man people. So right now people, we come for collect Alfonso spirit people and then we go see how it goes. So Alfonso, big up yourself my lad. So you have to come with me now. No, nobody's scared man, I'm not gonna do nothing. So oh my lord. So Alfonso spirit people, we character with we now. You understand? So him say to stop calling brown man, his name is Alfonso.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set with bless. You also know the story incomplete. If me not up on the beat, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, brown man is still a topic, you know, and you can always depend on L.A. Lewis. Forget us the exclusive. As you can see, him did up on the crime scene. Putting in the comment section everything about that, because you know a lot of dancehall artists is out here praising this individual, you see me? And what I'm also gathering, his neighbors said, you know, them poison, them dog, yeah, brown man poison, the woman dog. This is man say over some silly stuff, you know what I mean? As you know, I'm took a man life over $200 Jamaican, that's less than $1 US, you see me? So, such man did man in the head, you know, and did have all type of weapon in place, you see me? So, thank the police and the soldier them that them slap with this one, you see. But nevertheless, people still vex.
Hold on, the brown man that a this man murdered this man for 2 bills. What lead to this ya? After 4 hours of shootout with the Jamaica Defense Force and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Brother, all over 2 bills and a suck your mama comment. Alright, so Dave aka Brown Man is a deportee. Certified crash out, obviously, cause he get deported and the man must miss foreign life or something of a sort, because obviously he come home and take you all our money by gun and now the money not come in or something. Anyway, a dog had a certified full-on crash out, because like me say, him go page this man for a carton of egg. The egg them go for 12 bills. Him did only have $1,000. Him tell such man say, yo, me only have a grand charge. Man I say, yo, I go want my money in a brother. Brown man go ahead make you know, say, yo, me not have 2 bills right now. Me have to go circle. The man say, yo, no man can't owe me no 2 bills in a brother. Me I go want that. Every penny is a penny, every mickle make a muckle. Run my money. I want this a dog a crash out, man, and rise the machine and say, yo. Then, when the dog goes on now and dig off and pull up to him place, when he reach in a film area, the dog must have spot a vehicle right now with 2 people in it, so the dog get well paranoid and just turn the machine upon them too. Brr, pa, 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 pa. Dead people. Yeah, and after that, the dog go ahead for have on a full blood clot 4-hour shootout with the JCF and the JDF. That man all SWAT pull up, man. And if he go hide back a vehicle. The vehicle then carry, the vehicle then window mash out. A BA762 by 39, the dog a dash into that. AK round. That man, so when the dog did a beat film shot, you hear coom, 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 coom. And the blood class squad them a come in with them. Crack, 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 crack. Two. Crack, 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 crack. Two. Bumbuk. Yo, a movie. Anyway, moral of the story is don't sell no deportee no egg. And if they only have $1,000, give them, make them go on and come back. It just might save your life. Yeah, son. Although I don't understand why so much people on the internet big up brown man, the deportee. to kill 3 random people because somebody deport him from foreign. How would the bomb buckler? Jamaica no one real place here, man. Me gone.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, L.A. Lewis is going to touch bases on Vybz Kartel situation because the haters them enough.
Alright, some people talk about cartel and performance now. Now, remember, say, you got haters, people. So, Vybz Kartel are one of the most baddest performer right now. Or do you remember, say, Kartel song are mostly girl song or gangster song. So, now only for dance thing now going to Kartel thing and thing. Some acting fee night more, yes. Look at me acting can night more. But remember, you know, say, or if you remember, say, Kartel still sick in people. So you can active up like how you don't want to active up. So if you see Vybz Kartel now, people, is a privilege. You understand? So people come out all over the world now just to see Kartel, just to see him. Next year now, you can start pressure, but anybody that talk about say them got Kartel's trophy and them not see what them want to say. A lie wicked. Yes. I mean, I say the performance can get a little bit better because everything is always getting better. The ugly thing can't get better, it's dead thing. If you're dead, you're just dead. But once you're alive and kicking, yes, you always can go higher. So people, let me tell you something. Right now, watch Kartel performance in England over there, people. You hear the man come out of the cell, one bag of thing people in the place, lock the place. So, people don't understand. One and two player yet is a bad boy now go there. But remember, I say, Kartel still young. And him accent where. And Kartel perform him, sang them lyrics. Remember, you know, even some big time rapper, when you go for them concert, them still mimic things. Kartel is giving word for word people. I don't have to rate that. So big up Vybz Kartel people. You know what the Maroon them for this, you know. Yes, sir. MC enough for the baddest MC in the world. So right now, people, Kartel and the man, and the M-A-N. You can't go around it. Yes, sir. I don't see no other artists to go around it all now, people. I swear. So, if you see the other songs go around Kartel right now, show me them. Yes, sir. Big up Alkaline, people. But Alkaline, though, in the performance, remember in the Kartel full stadium, Kartel full arena, and it's got to get rammer. Can you know why? At 13, 14 years old, people must see Kartel, and for a man who make it song from behind jail, people, 13 years old, it song, people, come on. Give it to the youth. What the bill put my neck on the line all while for Kartel? What the bill go extra hard for Kartel all while? And no money, and a big up, because you see it, until now, Kartel never get LLUs a big up yet. Kartel never get LLUs a big up. Some people say ungrateful this and some people say this. But, you don't notice I'll do a Kartel give them a big up and remember in a paper, see it, and a broke pocket thing, see it, who walk with real money every day, people. Yes, and so them can't say, me do things to get a hype. And I can jump in any plane or more, any spaceship or more. I can go down in the submarine them and go talk to my friend in Atlantis anytime, people. Lower case Atlantis. I can go down in the center earth, people. And if I want people, I can go beyond the stratosphere. Become reptilian beings, friend them enough. Don't ramp with the people. I'm the Maroon Emperor. Don't ramp with it. So, I big up Kartel because Kartel is just the baddest. January the 7th. Don't ramp with it. So, Kartel, big up yourself, your youth. And the bad mind, the people talk about Kartel for retire. But if you go out of bed, if you don't like the man, want to come at the man chauffeur. How do you know? Go on yourself. So, people, when you left a comment, if you say Vybz Kartel is the best. Behind bar and they put out hits after hits, company road and they full out show after show. So all of the bad mind people just stay away from the man show if you don't like him. Why don't you come to the man show if you don't like him? People, Kartel, big up yourself here, youth. We shall avail. MC nothing, baddest MC in the world. Fully maroon, fully guzo. Or don't check that chattings easily.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. Honestly, people, I'm gonna be honest with you. Most of these people that's chastising Vybz Kartel all of a sudden, vocally, are batty watchers, are Alkaline fans them. That's what they do. They hide behind the scenes and cause a whole bunch of ruckus. But all of the nice them I don't now go get them artists no bookings. This is what I say, because our fans I feel the seat, right? And the batty washers them can't do it, you see me? Not rainers now fill up on them thing, then no bookings now get on them thing there, you see me? Just be a childish behavior. Anyway, we're not going longer, this not longer, you know. Bless.